Today I will talk about the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan mission. The topic name is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan mission. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is one of the most significant and popular mission to have take place in India. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan translate to Clean India Mission. This drive was formulated to cover all the cities and towns of India to make them clean. The campaign was administered by the Indian government and was introduced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It was launched on 2nd October in order to her Mahatma Gandhiji vision of the clean India. The cleanness campaign of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was turned on a national level and encompass all the towns, rurals and urban. It served as the great invitation in making people aware of the importance of the cleanness. Objective of the Swachh Bharat mission is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan set a lot of objective to achieve so India could become clean and better. In additional, it not only apply the workers but all the citizens of the country. This help in making the message reach wide. To it aims to build up sanitary facility for all household. Sanitary facility to all household. One of the most common problem in rural area is that often defecation. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan aims to eliminate that. Moreover, the India government intend to offer all the citizens with hand pumps poor proper system, bathing facilities and more. This will promote cleanliness among citizens. Similarly, they also want to make people aware of the health and education through awareness programs. After a major objective was to teach citizens to dispose of the water mind, mindful. Why India need to Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? India India is need of the cleanness drive like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. It is the important for overall development of the citizen in term of the health and well-being. As a majority of the population of the India lives in a rural area, it is the big problem. Generally in this area people do not have proper toilet facility. They go out in the fluid crops or roads to the extract. This practice create a lot of hygiene problems for citizens. Therefore, this Clean India mission can be of the great help in enhancing the living condition of these people. In other words, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan will help in proper waste management as well. They will dispose of the waste properly and recycle waste. It will develop in the country as its main focus is one rural area. The quality of the life of rural citizen will be enhanced through it. Most importantly, it enhances the public health through its objective. India is one of the country in the world, and this mission can be changed the scenario. Therefore, India needs a cleanliness drive like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to achieve this. In short, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the great start to make India cleaner and greener. If all the citizens could come together and practice in this drive, India will soon, and moreover, when the hygiene condition of the India will improve, all of us will benefit equally. India will have more tourists visiting it every year, and will create a happy and clean environment for the citizen. For the citizen, India will have more popular tourist visiting country it every year. All will create a happy and clean environment for the citizen. Thank you.